this video, we'll closely explore the GoZ feature, a powerful dynamic link that seamlessly and effortlessly connects our 3D application with ZBrush software. With just a single click, all visible subtools are seamlessly transferred to our 3D application, including not just the geometry itself, but also all of the active texture maps we have created in the ZBrush program. If needed, we can easily send everything back to ZBrush to utilize the familiar tools for any necessary adjustments. We can find the GoZ function at the top of the tool menu. To connect to our 3D application, simply press the R button, and then select the installed software from the provided list. Currently, Maya is the active application. When we click on GoZ, our selected active subtool will be sent directly to Maya. By using the All button, we can easily export all subtools, while the Visible option allows us to export only those that are currently in view. Let's go ahead and export the object, then check it out in Maya. Here we see our plane in the viewport, along with all the maps created in ZBrush. Even the shader was successfully exported with the other important elements. If we now create an object, select everything, and click the GoZ button at the top. We send it back to ZBrush, where we can easily use all the familiar tools just as usual from our previous lessons. The newly added object in Maya will be recognized as a new subtool in ZBrush. To activate this feature, simply enable Import as Subtool in the Preferences menu under the GoZ section. In the next and final video of this introductory series, we will review and recap everything we have learned.